All right, so check this out. You want to move files from your Android phone to your Mac, right? No cables, no weird Mac software, no tech headaches. All you need is one free app on your phone and boom, you're in. Let me show you how I do it. First, grab your Android phone, go to the Play Store and search for CX File Explorer. It's totally free. It's kind of like the old school EX File Explorer, but way better. Clean UI, no ads, no BS. Not a promo or anything. I just use this every day and it works like magic. Once it's installed, open the app. Down at the bottom, tap on the tab that says Network. Now tap Access from Network and hit OK. That's it. It'll show you an FTP address. You'll also see a username and maybe a password. Keep that screen open. We'll use it on the Mac in a sec. Now over on your Mac, open Finder. Then press Command plus K. This opens the Connect to Server window. Type in the FTP address exactly as you saw it on your phone. Hit Connect, and then type the username and password if it asks. Boom! You now have full access to your phone's storage from your Mac. From here, it's super easy. You can copy files from your phone to your Mac, move stuff back the other way, delete things, rename, whatever you need. Photos, videos, APKs, documents, doesn't matter. It's like your Android storage is now just another folder on your Mac. Last step, and this is important. When you're done, go back to the CX File Explorer app and tap Stop Service. Why? Because if you leave it on while you're on public Wi-Fi, someone could sneak into your files. Only do this when you're on your own home network or hotspot, okay? And that's it. No cables, no apps on your Mac. Just one solid file manager on your phone and you're all set. Oh, and if you're on Windows, it works just the same. Open File Explorer, type the FTP address from your phone into the top bar, and you're in. You can also use Windows plus R, but sometimes it opens in a browser. Stick to File Explorer for the smoothest experience. Hope that helped. Feel free to share it with someone who's still struggling with USB cables, or anyone using a Mac and Android together. And if you have any questions or problems, just leave a comment. I'll do my best to guide you through it in a future video. Take care and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.